Hello everyone, today I will show you how to buy Robux using Paymaya. First open the Roblox app on your device. Once you're in the app, look towards the top right corner of the screen and tap on the Robux icon. You'll see various Robux packages displayed on your screen. Choose the amount of Robux you'd like to purchase. After selecting your desired package, tap on the Buy Now button located near your chosen Robux amount. Roblox will present you with a list of different payment methods. Scroll through the options and select Paymaya as your payment method. Now you need to enter your Paymaya account details. Type in your registered Paymaya phone number and your Paymaya password. Double check that all the information entered is correct and then tap on the Pay Now button to proceed. At this point, Paymaya will send a text message to your registered mobile number to confirm the transaction. Open the text message from Paymaya and carefully note the confirmation code provided. Go back to the Roblox app and enter the confirmation code in the designated field. Congratulations! Your Robux purchase will now be completed and you'll be able to see your new Robux balance reflected in your account shortly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.